Starting to put stuff back together. As you can see, starting to look like an engine compartment again. Got wiring harness in, the coolant reservoir tank. Of course, we put a rack and pinion in it. Getting close to putting the L79 back in it. That's right, boys. Beautiful thing right there, isn't it? Oh shit, belt problems. So as you can see, I got most of the crap pulled off the top of it here. Got it hung. Looks like it's got a pretty good attitude. And but because of the nature of the front end of this Vette, it's so long, I can't bring the picker in from the front. I'm going to have to take the wheel. I'm going to have to pull the wheel off and slide the picker in from the side to get to the spot to line up the motor mounts, engine mounts. And so that's where we're at, but it's ready to stick in there. I'm just waiting for my faithful, trusty assistant. Think we're pretty close there, huh? A little bit further.
Maybe a little further yet. Yeah, that's got to be pretty close. Right
pretty close right there. So start putting this down a little bit. Comes down, it's going to probably pull it over towards the...
Yeah, we're going to have to come back a little.
Okay. Up there?
Yeah, for now. I think we're going to have to do it again by the time we get there. But... Okay, go back a little. Stop. Yeah,
go back towards me?
Yeah, we're going to hit the fuel filter here if we're not.
Okay.
Careful.
Okay, I think I got everything in place. I've cranked it over, so I know I got oil pressure. I know I got spark, and I did a by-eye timing on it, static timing on it, and I know I have fuel. So I'm going to see if this starts. As you know, I've converted this from manual brakes. This is four-wheel disc brakes. I've converted it from manual four-wheel disc brakes to four-wheel disc brakes, power disc brakes. And I've taken out the manual steering gear, and I installed a rack and pinion setup that was supposed to be made for this car. And so this is the culmination. Like I say, as you've seen through my videos, I've had this whole thing apart. Had the engine, transmission out of it. I redid the engine compartment. New wiring harness. Of course, obviously, to convert it to power steering, I had to put a power steering pump, mount a power steering pump on it. I didn't tear the engine down, but I took everything off of it, all the sheet metal and all that stuff. I resealed the intake and the valve covers and timing case cover. Put a Cloy's double roller, new Cloy's double roller timing chain in it. And so this is We're going to see if this thing starts. Right? Oh yeah, we got fuel. Let's see if, here we go, boys. See what happens. Compression cooling system. Turn the fast idle down a little bit on it. I like it. Unbelievable, huh? I think that's the way it's done. This thing's got to go and get aligned, get the alignment set up for the rack and pinion. Hopefully the brakes all work good the way they're supposed to. I'll have to take it for a little test drive and see. So, but I need to make a couple adjustments, check the float levels on the carburetor, and set the fast idle back a little bit. Okay. Okay guys, wish me luck. Give this thing a little spin here. Well, and as you can see, you're driving convertible. Yep, those are mountains over there, except you can't see them because of the smoke. So, alright guys, we're on our way to the alignment shop. Dead skunk in the middle of